have a hard time fitting this car in the camera. If this doesn't scream 1950s, I don't know what does, with the salmon color and the tail fins. Look how long this thing is. And then to make it longer, they put a Continental kit on the back of it. A real cool feature is the air conditioning. And this model is mounted in the trunk, and there's clear tubes that come up into the headliner. There's chrome vents right above my head. That's the air conditioning. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see all the pictures of that, see what I'm talking about. And don't worry, we're not going to charge you by the pound. I might charge by the foot, though. Actually, this car is going to be $29,998. Go to our website and check it out.